Hello everyone, this is Lulu. Scallion chicken and broccoli is on the menu today. This is a delicious and healthy dish that combines tender chicken pieces with the vibrant flavors of scallions and the crispiness of broccoli. I'm using whole piece of chicken breast today. Boneless chicken thigh or chicken leg meat are also great choice for the dish. And yes, green vegetables can be incredibly flavorful and exciting without compromising on their health benefits. And I'll share my technique to achieve irresistible flavor with the simple ingredients. Let's begin by marinating the chicken. Take the chicken pieces and sprinkle some garlic salt and ground pepper on both sides. Make sure to evenly distribute the seasoning for optimal flavor. Create holes for better flavor penetration. Using a fork or knife, poke multiple holes on both sides of the chicken. This will allow the marinade and seasoning to penetrate deeper into the meat. Marinate for at least 20 minutes. Next, soak the broccoli florets in the salt water for 10 minutes. Salt water helps penetrate the florets and loosen any dirt and debris. Rinse thoroughly under running cold water right before cooking. Now it's time to mince a generous amount of scallions, making sure to separate the white and green parts. Scallions are a key ingredient in this chicken dish, so feel free to adjust the amount of scallions according to your taste preference. Next, we will slice 4 to 6 garlic cloves to saute with broccoli. Last preparation is a sauce ball for scallion chicken. In the bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon sugar, and mix well together. Sauce for scallion chicken is ready. I'm also going to use a half tablespoon of a black garlic puree, but this is total optional. I'll starting by roasting sliced garlic until it turns golden brown. The combination of the roasted garlic slices and the garlic infused oil will bring an incredible depth and richness of flavor to sauteed broccoli. The roasted garlic adds a sweet and nutty taste, while the garlic's infused oil provides a subtle, savory note. While garlic slices is slowly roasting, in separate cast iron pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil until oil gets light smoke, then add chicken piece in undisturbed. Let it brown bottom side for 2 minutes, then flip to different side, brown for another 2 minutes. Then we'll pour all the sauce in, and I'll use the same sauce ball to add 2 tablespoons of water into the pan as well. And here I'll add a half tablespoon of a black garlic puree, and I make sure to mix puree with liquid all well together. And now we add all white parts of a minced scallion on top of the chicken and cover up for 2 minutes on medium heat. After 2 minutes, flip chicken to other side, add all the scallions on top. We also will add all green parts of scallions on top, then cover up for additional 2 minutes. After 2 minutes is up, turn off the stove. Just let the chicken sit in the pan until we're ready to serve, allowing remaining heat to cook the meat through. Now the chicken is done, let's quickly saute broccoli. In the cast iron pan over medium heat, add garlic infused oil. When you see light smoke, add half tablespoon of salt and add broccoli in. Stir around the broccoli florets for a minute. Then we're going to add some water, or you may use any type of broth here as well. Lastly, add the roasted garlic slices to the pan and then cover the pan with a lid. Let it cook for just 1 minute, then turn off the heat. This step will impart a delightful flavor to the broccoli while keeping it semi-crunchy. There you have it. This light combination of scallion chicken and garlic-infused broccoli, it is not only simple and flavorful, but also requires minimal ingredients and effort, making it perfect for warm days. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this process. Until next time.